Hello Essenceans, my beautiful Essence family. I happily welcome you back to my channel, Essence TV. Today, we've got something super important to talk about. Healthy eating, and the focus will rest majorly on students. I'm a student and I practice these tips every day. And not only has it helped me stay healthy despite my tight school activities, it has also helped me not to skip a meal. I'm so excited to share this tip with you and I hope you'll get a better results than I did. As students, we often find ourselves caught up in a whirlwind of classes and assignments. But taking care of our health should never take a backseat. In this video, we'll share 5 easy, healthy eating tips all students should know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable content because this is a place where you'll get interesting tips and facts served on a platter. Also, give my channel a thumbs up if you're ready to boost your nutrition game. Tip number 1. Aim for balanced meals. What a balanced meal? I'm not going to assume you know the answer, so I'm just going to tell you. Balanced meals are meals that provide a combination of different food groups in appropriate proportions to meet your nutritional needs. The goal of a balanced meal is to ensure that you're getting a variety of nutrients essential for overall health. Every plate should include a mix of protein, vegetables, fruits, and carbohydrates. This helps you get the essential nutrients your body needs for energy and focus. We'll show you how to build a balanced meal that's quick and affordable. According to the Harvard, Th. Chan School of Public Health, published in Harvard publication, balanced meals should include a variety of colorful vegetables and fruits in your meal which should occupy half of your plate. The vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber, promoting good digestion and overall health. And fruits are rich in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Point A. Carbohydrates. These can be in the form of whole grains. Examples are brown rice, whole wheat bread, oat, whole grain pasta. And it should occupy 1/4 of your plate. Point B. Protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth and can come from sources like lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, beans, or nuts. Doctors advise to limit red meat, and to avoid processed meats such as bacon and sausage. Point C. Healthy plant oils. Incorporate sources of healthy plant oils like avocados, olive oil, nuts, sunflower, soy, etc. In a previous video, I discussed on some healthy cooking oils and their benefits. A flashcard will be provided above this video and a link to will be provided in the description. I'll advise you watch the video to better understand this point. Point D. Dairy or dairy alternatives. This point is optional. If you consume dairy, consider adding a serving of milk, yogurt, or cheese for calcium and additional protein. Non-dairy alternatives like almond milk or soy yogurt are suitable for those with dietary restrictions. Point E. Hydration. Don't forget to drink water. I have made a video dedicated to this topic entitled, Benefits of Drinking Water. A link will be provided below and we are still going to talk a little about it later in this video. The Harvard, Th. Chan School of Public Health has provided an healthy eating plate which is shown on the screen, but if you want a copy to hang on your fridge or your kitchen wall, then visit their site to download a printable copy. A link to that will be provided in the description as well. Tip number 2. Smart snacking. Stock up on healthy snacks. Like fruits, nuts, and yogurt. These options can satisfy your cravings without resorting to sugary or junk food. We'll share some delicious and nutritious snack ideas perfect for busy students. According to a teen paper medically reviewed by Mary L. Gavin, MD, teens are busy and frequently skip meals. They may feel hungry between meals even if they eat 3 meals a day. To avoid the temptation to reach for anything quick, such as cookies, chips, or candy, increase your nutrition with healthy treats such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, smoothie, bananas, nuts, air-popped popcorn, and protein meals. The report also suggests strategies to include healthy snacking into your daily routine. These are 1. Keep it nearby. As an example, keep healthful foods in your refrigerator or pantry. 2. Prepare ahead of time. 3. Make it a habit to keep nutritious snacks in the refrigerator or pantry. 4. Eat mindfully. 5. Choose protein and fiber-rich snacks. 6. Make sweets, chips, and other treats the exception rather than the rule. 7. Make a plan for your meals and snacks. 8. Bring healthy snacks to school, work, or the library. Tip number 3. Portion control. Portion control. It's easy to overeat when we're studying or stressed. We'll provide some simple tricks to help you manage portion sizes and avoid mindless eating. Your waistline and wallet will thank you. Here are some simple tricks that can help you exercise portion control. 1. Make use of little plates. Use a smaller plate to control the amount of food you place on your plate. A 2015 study published in the Cochrane database of systematic reviews discovered that utilizing smaller plates, knives, forks, glasses, and other tableware could help us eat less food. Do you agree with this study? We won't know if we don't try it. 2. Eat slowly. 3. 30 minutes prior to your meal, drink a glass of water. 4. Wait approximately 20 minutes before having a second plate. Now, before we ride on to tip number 4, show me your love and support by clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like. Also, please share your thoughts in the comment section. It helps keeps the channel interactive. Thanks. Tip number 4, meal planning. Planning your meals in advance can save you time, money, and stress. We'll guide you through how to create a meal plan that suits your schedule and keeps you on track with your health goals. 1. Arrange your groceries. After you've finished purchasing your groceries, arrange and store them in the refrigerator or pantry. 2. Prepare ahead of time. It is critical to prepare as much of your food as possible ahead of time. For example, you can wash and cut your vegetables, meat, and seafood before storing them in the fridge. Large bags of products can also be divided into smaller, snackable amounts. 3. Store chopped and peeled foods in clear containers or baggies so you can see what you have and how much you have. You can also number each container or tag them with the date in which the goods was purchased so you can know when it expires. 4. If you buy a single type of meat, such as chicken, turkey, fish, or pork, you can utilize it to prepare a week's worth of meals in a number of ways rather than combining 2 or more meats, such as pork and fish. Combining more than one meat might be expensive and we don't want that. 5. Always keep staple foods readily available, such as rice, beans, bread, cereal, fruit, peanut butter, eggs, milk. Also, be sure to have cooking oil and enough of spices on hand, such as salt, pepper, chicken seasoning, ginger, onion, garlic, and so on. Last but not least, tip number 5, stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for your well-being. Several studies have found that staying appropriately hydrated helps to guarantee that the brain performs effectively. Students will benefit from improved vision and awareness, allowing them to critically analyze and retain teachings faster while also enhancing their attention skills. Students who do not drink a sufficient quantity of water swiftly get dehydrated. The aversion of dehydration and the associated health hazards is a major advantage of increasing your water intake. In addition, students who stay hydrated are more capable of dealing with stress, all of which lead to overall excellent health and well-being. Check my video on the benefits of drinking water for more insight. A link will be provided in the description. There you have it, 5 easy healthy eating tips all students should know. These simple changes in your eating habits can make a world of difference in how you feel and perform in your student life. Remember, taking care of your health is an investment in your future, and I believe, health is the most valuable asset and new knowledge enlightens your mind. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay healthy and stay awesome.